It's James Smalls, the one and only rockstar farmer with the Seekret Garden Family Farm LLC, located right here in Walterboro, South Carolina. Yo, it's hot out here. It's like over 90-something degrees, but shoot, we still gotta make these pigs happy. Still gotta feed them, still gotta make sure that they're in an area where it's not too muddy, because there's been a lot of raining and all this kind of stuff. So here I am, still in the middle of building new pens. Just got finished building this one. We got 3 of them in here. However, this whole section right here, 1.52 acres, is gonna be their whole pig pen. However, right now, we just out here doing it, building it 1 pen at a time, relocating a few of them at a time, and that's how it goes. Stick around, check out this video of them eating and just enjoying their life in the Seekret Garden Family Farm LLC. If you like the content, like, subscribe. I left a link in the description. If you want to show a little extra love, follow the instructions in that link. Hey y'all, what's up? Hey, can't eat my shoes. Y'all ready to come into y'all new pen? Come on. Hey, come on. Well, this is their new pen. About to put 3 of them in here. Hey, hand hop. Come on, man. I'm coming, y'all. I got you. Getting the feed now. Hey, Roxy, too. Hey, Bodie.